Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can change the weight of a line in Canva. If you have a line or multiple lines and you feel like the lines are too thin and not very visible when you look at the design, then one way to make the line bigger is to change its thickness, or basically changing the weight of the line. So I have multiple lines here and I'm going to make them a bit thicker. By the way, if you want to insert a line, you can go to elements and shapes, and you can click on a line design to be inserted to your document. It's located right here. Anyway, let's start with this line. You can click on it, and after that there is a top toolbar menu. You can click on line style, and then you can change the line weight. So by default it's 6 pixel or 6 points. I don't know the measurement that they are used here, but the number was 6. So to make it bigger or thicker, you can click and drag the slide to the right to make it way bigger and thicker. Remember, the length is still the same, but the weight is now a lot bigger. You can also just manually enter a number from 0 to 100 to make the line thicker. And also there's an option to enable end round points. I think that is usually appropriate to be enabled, especially if you want to make the design to be a little better, to be more rounder. So I usually enable that setting. You can do the same for other lines. For example, these dash lines, I can do the same. Let's increase the line weight, and as you can see, it's way thicker now. And of course, you can select multiple lines together, and you can do the same. You can apply the setting for multiple lines. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can increase the thickness or change the weight of a line in Canva.